I told you, our galaxy is slowly dying. Astronomers have discovered that hundreds of thousands of galaxies across the universe are losing their brightness. Some have faded by nearly 50% over the last 2 billion years. And one of them is the Milky Way. The galaxy we call home may already be entering a slow cosmic decline. The stars that once lit up the universe are no longer being replaced fast enough. But what is killing galaxies? And could the night sky one day go dark forever? Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of hundreds of billions of galaxies scattered across the universe. Galaxies are enormous glowing systems made of gas, dust, stars, and planets. Telescopes capture breathtaking images of bright galaxies millions of light years away, floating like islands of light in the darkness of space. Few things are more awe-inspiring than seeing a galaxy and realizing how unimaginably vast and beautiful these structures truly are. The basic building blocks of galaxies are stars. They are what keep galaxies alive and shining. The Milky Way itself is a gigantic spiral galaxy over 120,000 light-years across, containing several hundred billion stars. But in 2015, astronomers made a disturbing discovery. Something strange is happening across the universe. Hundreds of thousands of galaxies are slowly becoming dimmer. Some galaxies have lost nearly half of their brightness over the past 2 billion years. And shockingly, the Milky Way is one of them. This isn't happening in some distant, unknown corner of the cosmos. This is our home galaxy. Anything that affects the Milky Way ultimately affects us. Scientists now believe that galaxies across the universe may be slowly shutting down. Normally, galaxies recycle the material needed to create new stars. As giant stars reach the end of their lives, they explode as supernovas. These massive explosions send enormous waves of gas and energy across the galaxy. That gas collides with giant interstellar clouds made of dust and hydrogen. Gravity begins pulling the material together tighter and tighter. Eventually, new stars are born. Over billions of years, this cycle of star birth and death keeps galaxies shining brightly. The atoms inside planets, oceans, and even human beings were once forged inside ancient stars. But astronomers now believe something is interrupting this cosmic cycle. The shocking possibility is that the Milky Way itself may be entering a slow decline. Fewer new stars are forming across our galaxy. Without enough new stars replacing the old ones, galaxies begin losing their light. Scientists fear the lights of the galaxy could slowly fade over time. Galaxies are enormous systems powered by star formation. So whatever is shutting them down must be something incredibly powerful. Astronomers began searching for answers deep inside the center of the Milky Way. The galactic center contains the largest concentration of stars, gas, and dust in the entire galaxy. If scientists want to understand the history of star formation, the center of the galaxy is the perfect place to investigate. But astronomers face a major problem. Thick clouds of gas and dust block visible light from reaching Earth. The center of the Milky Way is hidden behind a giant cosmic curtain. Fortunately, infrared light can pass through these dense clouds. Astronomers use infrared telescopes to see objects invisible to ordinary telescopes. But Earth's atmosphere absorbs most infrared light before it reaches the ground. Even observatories built high on mountaintops struggle to see clearly into the galactic core. To overcome this problem, NASA and the German Aerospace Agency created SOFIA, the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. SOFIA is a modified Boeing 747 carrying a giant infrared telescope high above the clouds. Flying in the stratosphere, SOFIA can peer through the gas and dust hiding the center of the Milky Way. Its infrared telescope studies a corridor nearly 650 light-years wide directly into the galactic center. This region contains the densest star-forming material in the galaxy. Scientists expected to find enormous amounts of new stars being born there. But the observations revealed something deeply mysterious. Many giant gas clouds inside the Milky Way are not collapsing to form stars. Some regions are producing 10 times fewer stars than expected. Dense clouds filled with gas should be creating stars constantly, but somehow, something is preventing it. Something inside the Milky Way is suppressing star formation itself. Stars are temporary. They are born, they shine, and eventually they die. For a galaxy to maintain its brightness, new stars must replace the old ones at nearly the same rate. But that balance is now breaking down inside the Milky Way. Compared to billions of years ago, our galaxy is producing far fewer stars today. That is why the Milky Way is slowly dimming. Fewer new stars means the galaxy is gradually losing its energy and light. Astronomers now believe our galaxy may already be entering a long cosmic decline. But what is causing this process? What is putting the brakes on star formation across the universe? Could mysterious galactic bubbles be the key to understanding what is slowly killing our galaxy? And if you're fascinated by mysteries like this, subscribe to The Secrets of the Earth and turn on notifications